Okay, so those are most of the bones of the cranial part of the skull. So now let's start doing the face. There are two bones that have teeth on them. One's the maxilla. This is the maxilla. Is that the right or left maxilla?
This is your left.
Left, yes. So that's the left maxilla. So those are, it's a pretty distinctive structure to it. And I really think, like in this view, it's a little bit easier to kind of visualize, how it fits exactly on the skull. It's got a few different sections to it. Of course, it's going to have little alveolar processes here that are going to support these little extensions that have holes in them to support the teeth, as well as part of the orbital rim, both on the outside as well as a plate here on the inside. There's a little space here. The space where it's going to butt up against the sphenoid bone. So now when we look at the skull, you can see in this view, the superior orbital fissure is kind of lit up, but now the inferior one is the one below it. The inferior orbital fissure is the space between the sphenoid bone and the maxilla. There's a little hole right here. That's the infraorbital foramen. And then on this side of the maxilla, you can see both the anterior part of the hard palate, so we call this the palatine process, as well as this big space here, and that's the maxillary. That's one of the maxillary sinuses.